So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think that's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 50,564. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. There are various different things you can have displayed there. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, so it's all driving data. We've also got a menu for assist systems, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then back around to where we started again. And the buttons I was using for that are just here. We also have stereo controls over that side, which continue over on the left-hand side just here, as well as cruise control. Once you set the cruise control, you can hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So there are some buttons down the side. So for example, you can go onto the radio menu and then it becomes touchscreen. You'll see we have DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Plenty of ways of listening to that as well. And you can see those being displayed on the screen now. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you pair your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the temperature, the fan speed and the direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set over here, with a rear heated screen, and you can turn the whole system off from there should you wish to. Underneath that, we have some storage and Volkswagen's multimedia input, so you can plug one of their cables into there. They come with various different ends on this end of the cable, where you can then connect it to certain different devices like iPhones, for example. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox. We can turn our parking sensors off from here. And then on the left-hand side here, we've got stop and start. You can turn off the stop and start. The car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic. You can turn that off as and when you wish. And that button will change the driving setup of the car from normal to sport or eco, and then individual at the end. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.